Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will share with you a very useful recipe that will destroy diabetes, clean your arteries and save your heart. Before we begin, please like this video for the future reference and for your friends as well. Let's get started. For the preparation of this recipe, we need large onions, garlic, mint leaves, ginger juice and lemon juice. Let's start. Peel the onion, cut it and put it in a blender. Peel the garlic, cut it and put it in a blender too. After that, add some mint leaves and pour half a glass of water. Blend all these ingredients until you get a homogeneous mixture. After that, add half a teaspoon of ginger juice and half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix them well and your drink is ready. It's better to consume it on an empty stomach or as a mid-morning snack. Onions contain a special substance that helps reduce blood sugar levels and eliminate toxins from the body. Garlic also has a lot of antioxidants that help fight inflammation and lower blood pressure. Antioxidants in mint leaves can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation throughout the body. Gingerol, which is found in ginger juice, has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Lemon juice contains a lot of vitamin C, which can help strengthen your immune system. So this drink is not just delicious, but also very healthy. And now, let's talk about the benefits of this drink. This drink can help lower blood sugar levels because onions and garlic contain substances that improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar metabolism. It also helps to reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, because it reduces blood sugar levels and inflammation in the body, which can lead to a decreased risk of heart disease and stroke. It cleanses your arteries because it lowers bad cholesterol and blood pressure levels, which can lead to a reduced risk of atherosclerosis and other cardiovascular diseases. It helps to prevent diabetes complications such as neuropathy, retinopathy and nephropathy by regulating blood sugar levels and reducing inflammation in the body. It improves digestion because it stimulates the production of digestive juices and enzymes, which can lead to a reduction in bloating, constipation, and other digestive problems. It boosts the immune system because it contains a lot of vitamin C, which can help strengthen your immune system and protect against infections and diseases. But that's not all. In addition to these benefits, this drink also has anti-cancer properties, antimicrobial properties, and can help with weight loss. We recommend you to include this drink in your daily diet to enjoy all these benefits. Now, let's see what kind of feedback we have from our viewers. Our video has more than 8 million views and 1,000 comments. Here are some of them. Wonderful! I have type 2 diabetes, and I have been using this drink for 2 weeks. My blood sugar levels are now under control. Thank you so much for the recipe. Another viewer wrote, I had high blood pressure and I couldn't take medicine because of its side effects. After drinking this juice, my blood pressure became normal. Thank you. We are so glad that you like our videos and that they are helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button. Also share your feedback and tell us about your recipes in the comments below. See you later.